I'm having a few days off at the moment, and I might be travelling around a bit, and I'll see what comes out in way of videos. Something I've not tried before. Obviously you've seen the Trangia set up before, but what I'm going to cook you may not have seen. This should be cooking at its easiest. I've got some lentils, some beef jerky, some miso soup and some rice noodles. If like me you was ever wondering how well beef jerky rehydrates when you cook it, stick around, we'll find out together. Let's go with some jerky. We don't want that. How much do we put in? Try a bit. Bit hard but nice. We go for the whole packet. Then lentils. Bit of water. Looks like we're boiling. For some bizarre reason I've forgotten the handle for all these, so I'm using a glove. Switch that off. Lovely. Starting to rehydrate already. Put the lid on and just leave it. Found myself a new friend. He's already been round once. Just in case you're wondering, I found myself a campsite. I'll leave a link in the description below if it's something you're interested in. And this is right underneath Dartmoor. Dartmoor's just up there. I started walking up there earlier, but I was hot and sweaty and I didn't know what was going to happen. I did plan on camping up there, but it kind of worked out better if I just found a campsite, and this is the one I found. Welcome back everybody. Typical English weather. It started to rain outside. Hang on, let's get some lights on. Ah, there we go. I got my pyjamas on and it's nice and cosy in here, so I thought I'd carry on with tea now. Starting to come up to the boil. Let's show you around the place while it's doing its thing. It's really difficult to show you how much space is actually in here. So it's quite palatial. Doing it like this with the camera inside and winging it is not probably the best. It doesn't give you the best idea, but I've got that exit out there. There's a lovely big vestibule. I mean, I can stretch my arm right out. That's absolutely lovely. I've obviously got all my cooking kit going on under the other vestibule and some other odds and sods. At the edge of this is a full-size sleeping mat, like a thermarest. No, it's an X-bed, that was it. And you can see how much space you've got underneath. And it's easily room for another person that side. That's whiskey, by the way, just in case you was wondering why it was a funny colour. It's an 8-year-old whiskey I bought. I don't know what it's like, not tried it before, but I thought I'd give it a go. We've got the little jackery in there. It's an absolute brilliant piece of kit for things like this. I used to go to campsites and stuff with no electric and go, oh, am I going to charge my phone, etc. Little thing like that, that's the 240, I think it is, 240 watts. And what more do you need? Going away on little camping trips like this, if you got a car, does the job. Right, we're really trying to wing this now inside. He's bubbling, so we're going to go in with the miso soup. Steaming up. Give me a little stir. Trying to find a piece of meat for you. There we go. It's expanded a bit, so that's nice. Hopefully, oh, it's all over there now. What we're going to do is turn that right down and just put him on a very slow simmer for 10 minutes. Cooking in a confined space is not the easiest thing to do. I want to keep that outer away. So what I've done, I've put a bottle there, like a 2 litre water bottle, just to stop him sticking on there. But I've only got him on very low, so he should be alright. If it does all kick off and there's a fire or something, I'll just leg out the emergency exit. Sleeping arrangements is an interesting one. Let's pull these back. I've got my German Army folding mat. I've got a Snugpak foam mat. Got an X-Bed air mats, and on top of that I don't have a sleeping bag. This is a Dutch Army poncho liner. It's summer, that's all I need, and I think that'll work extremely well for me. Lovely piece of kit, really well made. It's very thin, but it's the middle of summer. What I've done with this at the bottom is folded it over. I folded it underneath the mat, and that should hold it at the bottom, so it's just the side I got to worry about. Should be a nice comfy bed for tonight. Tea's bubbling away, let's get some noodles in. Ow! Try not to get the hot water on yourself, on your toes when you do this at home. Need some more water in the noodles. Well, that sounds done. Let's have a look. Good job. Well, that was much harder work than what I thought it was going to be. But I didn't expect to end up cooking it inside a tent, to be honest. Got simple ingredients. How did this turn out? That's good, isn't it? So there you have it, some simple ingredients. Beef jerky, rice noodles, miso soup and some lentils. And you got yourself a meal. It's actually pretty good. Thanks for watching this chaotic mess if you've got this far. I didn't expect to end up cooking in a tent. Thanks for watching everybody. I'll see you next time. InfoShed out.